Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel where we bring you honest and in-depth reviews of the best health and fitness products out there. If you're a peanut butter lover and a fitness freak, today's review is just for you. We are talking about the PINTOLA high-protein peanut butter chocolate flavor cream. Is it worth your money? Is it really high in protein? And most importantly, does it taste good? Stick around to find out. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on awesome reviews like this. Alright, let's get started. Let's start with the first impression. The packaging. It comes in a sturdy jar with a nice, minimal design. The label clearly highlights high protein and chocolate flavor, which instantly catches the eye. This is the 1 kilogram variant, but they also have smaller sizes. First impression: looks premium, strong, and travel friendly. Now, let's talk ingredients, because what's inside is what really matters. 100% roasted peanuts, whey protein isolate for that extra protein boost, dark chocolate paste, no added sugar, no preservatives, no artificial colors. Nutritional breakdown: per 100 gram serving, protein 30 grams, healthy fats, keeps you energized. Low sugar, great for fitness enthusiasts and diet conscious people. This is perfect for gym goers, athletes, and even regular folks looking for a healthy and delicious peanut butter option. Now, the moment of truth. Let's see how this tastes. Whoa. This is super creamy and smooth. You can definitely taste the rich peanut flavor, but the chocolate adds an amazing twist. Sweetness perfectly balanced, not overpowering. Chocolate flavor, yes, but it doesn't overpower the peanuts. Texture very creamy, spreads easily on bread or shakes. If you love peanut butter and chocolate, this is a game changer. This peanut butter is not just for eating with a spoon, though I totally wouldn't judge you if you do. Here are some cool ways to enjoy it. Spread it on toast, a delicious and protein-packed breakfast. Blend it into a smoothie, peanut butter banana shake. Yes please. Drizzle on pancakes or waffles, next level deliciousness. Dip apple slices, a healthy snack option. Minus 30 gram protein per 100 grams, great for muscle building, no added sugar and preservatives, clean and healthy, tastes amazing, rich peanut and chocolate flavor, super creamy texture, easy to spread. If you don't like chocolate and peanut butter, this may not be for you. Slightly pricey compared to regular peanut butter, but worth it for the protein boost. Alright, so should you buy the PINTOLA high protein peanut butter chocolate flavor? Absolutely. If you're looking for a delicious, high protein, and healthy peanut butter, this is one of the best out there. Whether you're a fitness freak, gym goer, or just a peanut butter lover, this will not disappoint. That's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest and detailed product reviews.